Credit hire organizations often face difficulties in recovering their costs from the third-party insurer. It can be challenging to decide when to pass a credit hire claim to your solicitors. There are 5 situations where it may be beneficial to pass a claim to solicitors to achieve a prompt and satisfactory settlement. Credit hire vehicles are usually only given in cases where liability for the accident can be clearly attributed to the third-party driver. However, in some cases the issue of liability is not clear-cut, and third-party insurers may dispute liability after the cost of the credit hire vehicle has been incurred. Such disputes can be complicated, and negotiations with the third-party insurer, if they are capable of being resolved, can last for months. The legal position around intervention is complicated. What might initially appear to be a valid intervention letter can often turn out to be ineffective. Referring the claim to solicitors will ensure the appropriate investigations can be made before deciding whether to contest an intervention argument. It is an established principle that vouching documentation in the form of personal bank statements is required to prove that a customer could not have afforded to hire a vehicle on their own account. However, customers are often understandably reluctant to disclose such sensitive information, and often feel more comfortable disclosing them to a trusted firm of solicitors. In some cases, the third-party insurer simply delays paying the credit hire or repair charges. Instructing a solicitor to raise legal proceedings can often be an effective way to progress matters. In Scots law, credit hire claims prescribe 5 years after the date of the accident. In England and Wales, a 6-year limitation period applies, which can cause confusion for organizations operating in both jurisdictions. Referring the claim to solicitors at an early stage will ensure the matter can be settled or litigated before any deadlines are missed. Discuss your case with QC Law Solicitors for no obligation advice on no-win, no-fee terms. Once you've given us the details of your accident or injury, we'll tell you if your credit hire claim is likely to succeed.